This is a very quick introduction to the parts of a circle you need to know before you start understanding how to measure parts of a circle. The first thing we're looking at is the circumference of the circle. Circumference is just a different name for the perimeter, the distance around the outside of the circle. If we were to cut this in half, we're cutting across the diameter, and it doesn't matter which direction that diameter is on the circle, as long as it's slicing from one side of the circle to the other, exactly halfway through, that's the diameter. The other thing you need to know, if you were cutting from somewhere on the outside of the circle, just to the middle of the circle, that's the radius. So for example, the hands on a clock that just come from the middle to one area on the outside of the circle. A useful thing to remember here that the radius is half of the diameter. So if the radius is 6 centimetres, all the way across the diameter will be 12 centimetres. And now you know the radius, diameter and circumference of a circle, you're ready to start looking at how to measure them.